Just noticed something on my build here to do with the Dragon Force, and it's not quite pointed out in the instructions too much, but if you notice on the keel here, you notice that on one end is actually slanted and the other end is pretty well squared up. Now when putting on the keel bulb, you want to put the keel bulb on the end that is flat, like that. And I'll show you in a second why. I'll put it on, and don't forget it's the long bolt that goes with the keel bolt. I like to use a little bit of thread lock, just hit it just a very slight little bit, and we'll get that installed and I'll show you why. Okay, there's a bulb on there, and you'll notice that you'll see the bulb almost on a slightly upward angle there. And the reason for that is because when the boat is nose down a little bit, you can see how the bulb kind of goes horizontal to the waterline. So that's kind of like a little performance thing. Now, if you would have put it on the other end, where it's angled like that, then your bulb would actually be pointing downwards. And with that, it's a bit performance robbing, because then you're just dragging the keel bulb the whole time. So just a quick video on that. Happy building.